Nice.
Okay, out of all of them, there's like one good one. We'll do that one.
Yeah, we'll just do this is the first, like the time where I said this is Ben's first time, and then we cut to you going in the straight line.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. All right. It's gonna be Ben's first time. Not first time, but we'll say it's your first time, so it looks much better.
For who?
I don't know. This is going on YouTube. I don't know for who.
On YouTube?
Yes. You become famous, Ben.
Yeah. For all the wrong reasons.
Don't worry. That's for different content. Alright. I'll take this off, but you can take the wrist savers. Just take them out of these gloves. Wow, you look like Speedy the Racer. You know that one?
Speedy Gonzalez?
No, there's like an old cartoon.
Oh yeah, it's like the driving one.
Yeah, kind of like an anime. Sort of.
I think it was called Speed Racer.
Speedy the Racer, yeah.
I don't think it was it called Speedy the Racer?
Speedy, yeah. It's like a guy who turned a freaking car.
Oh, that's not who I'm thinking of.
So the unicycle is charged fully, so it's going to be much easier today because it's way more balanced. Just pull up this guy and then you're off to the races. Yeah. Just don't die.
Just don't die.
At least not right away.
Not right away. Now I've forgotten everything I did.
No, you haven't. Just adjust this camera. Just adjusting the camera, don't worry. Do your thing. So, back straight and
Yeah.
look straight.
That looks straight. Oh, there's a bump there.
Use the wall. It's not a bump. This has suspension.
Even if I even get there.
It's barely a bump. Use your wall if you want. This one's nice and convenient.
Yeah.
But try to go straight. Ooh, Mr. Squirrel's coming to watch you. He's not staying. Yeah! Yeah, but do more of a push.
I didn't land on the pedal very well.
Oh, you didn't? Try
No, my
pushing.
feet like
Try
here.
pushing a little bit more.
Yeah.
So you have more of a momentum because you can't balance while you're standing.
Yeah.
You have to balance
My foot was in bad place when I
while you're
launched.
going at least. Maybe point that way so you're not
Huh?
going into people accidentally.
Oh, I don't think I'm going that far. But
Well, who knows? You gotta believe in yourself. All you gotta do is believe in yourself.
I believe I can die.
Man, you do
I
like
mean,
you're about to race.
I believe I can die. I mean, fly.
Oh no. Bigger push. Bigger push. This unicycle looks tiny from this angle.
Huh?
It looks so small when you're looking
But
at
it's
it.
actually so big.
It is pretty big. It only looks small from this angle. Nice, 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 nice. But
Still not as good as that.
try pointing yourself forward as opposed to the wall. Yeah. Just there you go. Nice. Oh, that's good. That's good. But try going like straight.
No kidding.
You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. The wall sounds like it might be now a hindrance because you rely on it too much. You always lean into it.
I'm going that way.
Okay. Let me move out of the way though if you're going my way.
You're such a bully.
I'm just explaining. Yeah. Well, what if you just get on and hold on to the wall and try to roll forward that way? Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, so continue leaning. Don't get off. Continue leaning into the fall. And you will straighten out. If you fall, you just walk off. It's
Okay.
like barely any speeds. Yeah, good. So now a little bit more leaning. Man, I didn't realize I had to go that far back. Sweet.
Thank you.
Try leaning to the right a little bit,
Okay.
because it seems like you're leaning left, like in general. Another bike in the wall. That famous song. Whoa!
Thank you.
Careful with the rubber seal on the charge board in the back. You might want to reseal that. It comes out sometimes. That's the charge port. You can even charge your phone from it because it's got USB out.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess like if you get lost, you know.
Yeah, it's a massive battery, I guess, right?
Yeah, it makes
Might
sense.
as well use it.
But it's funny they thought of that.
Yeah, they thought of a lot of things, but there's also a lot of things they didn't think about. Like,
Oh, did we break it?
no, where?
Are these moving?
What?
Or this?
What's moving?
Can we always see the Velcro?
Yeah, that's my Velcro that I put on.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't there. That's how I attach these pads. It's really good Velcro.
Yeah, it looks good.
10 out of 10 with Velcro again.
Would stick again.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can run out.
That's not bad though. It's
Yeah. Yeah.
Still, like, hey, I got pretty far.
Yeah, you didn't even have to hug the wall.
I was thinking about it. I was like, nope, don't hit the wall. Otherwise, Bill's gonna make fun of me.
That's not the reason not to hit the wall.
Of course it is. It's the only reason.
It'll go down in history as the day you stop hitting the wall. Oh, oh, oh. Now try back straighter and look down less. You will be easier, even easier than it is getting to be now.
You're doing this so easy.
Well, it's definitely easier than 10 minutes ago, right?
It's only been 10 minutes?
Something like that. Actually, I can tell you how long it's been. It's been 20.
That's still not bad. Nope, nope.
Yeah, 20 minutes and you're going straight.
I'm probably up to like a
Ish.
hour or two now, all told.
You were a couple hours in. But this is like the first time with no whoa. I got it
My
wrong.
foot is not correct.
Whoa. Straight to the circus performance, huh?
Yeah, my foot was too far over.
Oh, okay.
So it's like
Oh, well, at least you fell only after the second circle.
second or two, yeah.
That's not too bad.
I meant to do that.
Oh, yeah. Cue in circus music.
Oh, my foot's not in the right place.
Oh, God, oh, God. All right. Turning in place. I gotta get out of the way. Oh, I don't think that's enough momentum.
No.
Unless you can straighten it out.
My foot's not in the right place.
Oh, it is. Yeah, and then just reposition.
Yeah.
It happens a lot to me when I ride. I get on and then I put my other foot kind of wacky, so I just stop at somewhere safe and reposition. Because it takes some muscle memory to do it constantly in the right place.
Yeah, even I think sometimes.
It definitely takes some time.
Nope, look out.
Holy shit! Action camera indeed. Getting murdered by unicyclists. Whoa!
I think I just go back to bending my knees a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe like slightly bending your knees,
Yeah.
just so you're not a pendulum.
Yeah, so I'm too straight, yeah.
Slightly bending your knees. Ooh. Keeps you feeling alive, huh? all these like near-death. Not near.
I just like keeping you on your toes.
Yes, right. Me for sure.
Huh?
I feel like I'm one of those like freaking rally.
Crash test dummies.
Yeah. Well, that's you. Ooh. Nice, 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 nice. You kind of like.
I'm starting to get like a little bit of the like leaning into the chin.
Of an idea of how to balance into the right direction. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're sticking your ass backwards too much.
I'm dropping it.
You are dropping it, but you're dropping it straight to the ground. You gotta drop it a little bit.
Trying to keep the suspense.
You're dropping it like it's hot. You gotta drop it like it's kind of warm. That's how you do it.
This recording will never go live.
Okay, yeah, I'll cut that part out. Whoa, whoa, whoa! He's going.
Thank you.
Hey, the amount of times you've hit a wall has greatly decreased.
That's good. It's nice to know that I've broken through the wall.
Yes. I guess, yeah, if this area was slightly more open, maybe it would be easier, so you wouldn't hit the wall, is it? I don't know where you could. Yeah, maybe here, just don't hit the bikes.
Yeah. Maybe like go like away from the bikes.
Yeah, away from, well, you do know how to turn very rapidly though. What are you trying to do?
How do I get the handle on?
Huh?
How do I release the
Oh, the handle? This here.
Yeah.
This? Why? Don't tell me you're too old.
No, but I can't over holding it.
Oh yeah, this is much easier. Just don't ride with that.
Look, I'm using this is like my cane.
Yes.
Oh.
Maybe slightly further away from the bikes. Because you can turn 180 pretty well. Yeah, like maybe that way. This is a nice straight line. Straight-ish.
Over the grate.
That grade is not gonna make much of a difference for you. The wheel is too big anyway. Concentrate. You must beat the unicycle before it beats you.
Oh, it's already beaten me multiple times. I have the bruises to prove it.
Oh God. Come on, you have bruises. Alright, full start, full start.
Too close.
Full start. Straighten out, straighten out.
Get my act together straight.
Straighten out and fly down.
Who says that? Oh,
Very old people.
Huh?
Very old song. From like the 40s. Not the twig.
Nobody likes you, Chris. Nobody. I'm sorry. Nobody.
Careful with the safety wall.
Huh?
The safety wall is beckoning.
It's not. It's too far away. Well, potentially too far away. Usually I crash and burn before I get to that part.
Yeah, careful don't get into that little puddle, because it's a bit of a... Or do.
I'm aiming for it now. I don't think I'll get there.
Straight. Look straight, look straight. You're looking down.
That's okay, yeah, okay.
I was looking down, and all I see just bruises all over me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, sick. Okay, man. Straight in the trash. Nah, you're fine. This didn't get me. I don't even know what this bin is for.
It's like blonde stuff.
Oh, looks like leaves.
Yeah.
But that was a good little straight.
I don't think it was actually very straight, but
Well, it was straight-ish.
I almost hit that pylon too, which I was surprised I didn't.
You turned out of it.
Yeah.
It's good. That's what you're supposed to do. Oh.
Look down!
Whoa!
Kill Kirill!
You were really. That felt like an attack.
Just wait till that was just the like practice
Yeah,
attack.
it's a practice attack. Whoa. I have a magnet on me or something.
Huh?
I must have a magnet.
I just it's all my anger coming out of you.
Oh, I should stand further.
I think
Oh, try to compensate to the right a little bit.
yeah, I think I have to put down a little bit powder on the right.
Yeah, maybe you put your right foot somehow differently. I don't know, because
No, I think what happens I'm pushing, but then I'm still like leaning this way when I get my foot on.
okay, yeah, that's true. So
So I have to push
trying to
more powder.
oversteer a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, sort of. Yeah. Whoa.
I don't want to hit the bikes.
Yeah, the bikes are precious. I think if this thing piles into a bike, it's not going to be a good time for the bike.
Yeah, it might, and even if it like just chips or something, it would be a chip.
It's like means you got to learn before you.
Huh?
It means you got to learn how to go straight. That's the only thing. How's your back?
It's not bad. It's just like gets stiff after a while.
Yes, because you're always.
Because I'm hunched over like
doing
this.
that. Yeah, that's why you got to straighten it out. That's how you just have to go straight. Otherwise, you hit a wall. There's no metaphors here or anything like that. Because that's literally what happened. We have it on camera. That's nice and
Okay,
sunny.
out of all of them, there's like one good one. We'll do that one.
Yeah, we'll just do this is the first, like the time where I said this is Ben's first time, and then we cut to you going in the straight line.
Exactly.
And you're like, whoa.
What do you mean the sunlight suddenly come out now? And what do you mean it's like
Yeah, what was in between? Nothing.
it's time stamp 12 hours later?
No, we'll edit that. That's all right. It will look like you just hopped on. Ooh, looky here. Ooh. Oh god. That was a good one.
Yeah.
It flew off after that. But otherwise. So yeah, try not to, like when you get the wobbles,
Yeah.
try to maybe
Wobble left?
hold it, like squeeze it with your legs.
Oh, okay.
That was a good one though.
Yeah.